Yes.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. What the hell? They catch me, they catch me. They got me, they got me. Yo, I've been walking for like 10 minutes and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Wow, that's crazy. Sorry I missed a lot, but it's still popping. You see what's happening? Songkran, Siem, you already know. I'm getting, no. Oh, shit. It's lit. Actually, right now I'm trying to go to Tuk bar, get some drinks. Go to Tuk bar, get some cheap drinks, you know what I mean? That's how you gotta do it, man, cause $2.50 for a beer, they tripping. Listen, man, it's my camera getting wet and shit like that. I don't have a waterproof case on it, you know what I mean? So I don't know how long I'll be recording shit. Cause I don't want my shit to get too fucked up, you know what I mean? So we'll see, man. We'll see if I can get some more good footage and whatnot, but there's definitely water on the camera, you can see it. Now you're gonna take a little detour, a little shortcut to Tuk bar, get some cheap drinks, some cheap Long Island's for $3. You dig? Still going down out here. Oh my God, look at this shit. They just fucked me up just now. Oh my God, that's crazy. You gotta love it, you know what I mean? Sheesh, and this dude is fucking me up too. Oh man. It's still lit. Oh my God. What up, man? What's up? How you doing, brother? Peace, man. From America, where you from?
Whereabouts America?
New York.
New York?
Yeah, you?
England, bro.
England?
England.
Nice to meet you, man. What you doing out here? Huh?
What you doing out here?
Man,
it's crazy.
We out here vlogging, man. We out here
crazy
vlogging,
out here.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Songkran. Tell me where you from.
England, bro.
What you doing out here? That's your homie?
No, I'm not a person.
Yeah? You out here solo? You look like it, bro. You look like it, yo. Yo, look at this place, man. Look at this place, man. Look at this place, man. Yeah.
Let me drop a 16.
Huh?
Let me drop a 16.
Huh?
Let me drop a 16 bars.
Drop a 16 bars. You about to drop a 16 bars. Drop a 16 bars. Drop a 16 bars. Go ahead.
Okay. Right. With everything I do, I'm just trying to make the most of this. Just trying to make the most of me. I know my words are potent. See, I really like the love, but I just wonder how you know it. It's like a lake wasn't wavy. Just you're my lady. But that's the fact that I got driven like a Mercedes. What have you made it? Man, shout everyone that's on the New York thing.
Yeah, you already know,
shout
man.
New York, yeah.
You live out here, man. Siem Reef.
It's lit.
You already know.
You out here, bro. This is
Cambodia lit.
That's like Cambodian shit, bro.
right now.